Neapolitan Ice Cream. Neapolitan ice cream is famous for its three distinct flavors, placed side by side in the same container: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Instead of blending together, the flavors sit in separate stripes so people can choose their favorite or combine them in one scoop. The style originated in the 19th century and was inspired by Italian desserts brought to the United States by immigrants from Naples. The idea was simple but clever. Why pick just one flavor when you can have three at once? Neapolitan ice cream became especially popular in family households because it guaranteed that at least one flavor would make everyone happy. Kulfi. Kulfi is a traditional frozen dessert from India that is often compared to ice cream, although it is prepared in a very different way. Instead of being churned while freezing, kulfi is made by slowly simmering milk until it becomes thick and concentrated. Sugar and flavors such as cardamom, saffron, pistachio, or mango are added before the mixture is poured into molds and frozen. Because air is not whipped into the mixture, kulfi becomes very dense and rich. It is often served on sticks or in small cups, especially during hot weather. Kulfi has been enjoyed in South Asia for centuries, long before modern ice cream machines existed. Gelato. Gelato is a traditional Italian style of ice cream known for its dense texture and rich flavor. Unlike many other ice creams, gelato is churned more slowly during production, which means less air gets mixed into the mixture. Because of this, gelato feels thicker and creamier when you eat it. It also usually contains less fat than typical ice cream since it uses more milk and less cream. The result is a dessert where the flavor of ingredients like chocolate, pistachio, or fruit stands out clearly. Walk through almost any city in Italy and you will see gelato shops displaying colorful trays of flavors. Rolled ice cream. Rolled ice cream, sometimes called Thai rolled ice cream, is prepared in a way that is almost like a live cooking performance. A liquid ice cream base is poured onto a very cold metal surface. As the mixture freezes, it is spread thin and mixed with ingredients such as fruit, chocolate, or cookies. Once the sheet is frozen, it is scraped into tight rolls using metal spatulas. These rolls are placed upright in a cup and topped with decorations like whipped cream, fruit, or candy. Rolled ice cream first became popular in Thailand before spreading to dessert shops around the world.
Soft serve. Soft serve ice cream is known for its smooth texture and iconic swirl shape. It is made in machines that freeze and churn the mixture at the same time, allowing it to be dispensed directly into cones or cups. Because it contains more air than traditional ice cream, soft serve has a lighter and fluffier consistency. This style became especially popular in the United States during the mid-20th century when fast food restaurants began serving it as a quick dessert. The classic serving is a tall spiral on a cone, often in vanilla, chocolate, or a twist of both flavors. Frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt is a frozen dessert made using yogurt instead of cream. The yogurt gives it a slightly tangy taste that makes it different from traditional ice cream. The mixture is churned while freezing, which gives it a smooth and creamy texture. Frozen yogurt became especially popular in the late 20th century as people looked for lighter dessert options. Many frozen yogurt shops allow customers to add their own toppings, from fresh fruit to chocolate chips and syrups. This choose-your-own topping idea quickly turned frozen yogurt shops into places where people could build their own dessert creations. Of course, sometimes the toppings pile ends up bigger than the frozen yogurt itself. Sorbet. Sorbet is a frozen dessert that contains no dairy. Instead of milk or cream, it is made from fruit puree, sugar, and water. The mixture is frozen and churned until it becomes smooth and icy. Because it does not contain dairy, sorbet often tastes lighter and more refreshing than traditional ice cream. Flavors commonly include lemon, raspberry, mango, and other fruits.
Ice cream sandwich. An ice cream sandwich combines ice cream with another dessert, usually cookies or soft wafers. A thick layer of ice cream is placed between two cookie-like pieces, creating a handheld frozen treat. The cookies provide structure while the ice cream inside stays creamy and cold. Ice cream sandwiches became popular in the United States during the early 20th century, when street vendors sold simple versions made with vanilla ice cream and chocolate wafers. Over time, many variations appeared using brownies, chocolate chip cookies, or other baked goods.